I make a point to say I'm going to show you everything step by step. No prefab or really minimal prep work, if any. So you can see the literally the unvarnished truth. But we had a little technical difficulty. So what you've missed due to the technical difficulties is I took this wooden clock that doesn't have the actual clockwork in it anymore, as you can see, and which is a dumpster diving treasure, which you can also see. It's quite dirty, in fact. I took the metal clock face and basically pried it off. It was just glued on. So I need to flatten that back out. It's very thin metal, so it shouldn't be too hard. And then I'm going to clean this because it's a dumpster diving treasure, and it's very dusty, some of it from sitting around with me, but some of it probably from the original dumpster adventure, because it's kind of cool looking, actually really kind of, and it will be a good steampunk project, and it will also be a test project where I paint it with the colors I'm going to use when I paint my cupboard here. So you can see how it comes out and maybe make some adjustments if I need to. So now I'm off to wash this. I won't actually film the washing bit, but that's just because, I mean, hey, we all know how to wash it off, right? I'm going to use green soap. I think you call it Simple Green in the US. It's a non-toxic natural soap made from pine. So, back in a bit. Now, I've washed this, and it's got a few drops of water on it, but it doesn't have a whole bunch of dust on it anymore. The water has lifted up some of the grain in the wood, but I really don't care because I'm going to use chalk paint, which also lifts up the grain in the wood. So we will all survive, for better or worse. I don't understand why people get so fussy about that. I happen to like that about chalk paint, but right now. So now I have washed this, and putting the primer on. This primer of mine is a little bit dried up. I added some water, but it's not feeling so good. But on the other hand, it's the primer, so it's all that important. Maybe just see. Well, and here we go. That kind of a day. There. One thing after another. But with the pine or fir, for example, it's very bad about bleeding through if you just paint it directly. So that's why it's good to prime. Even though it's an extra step, it's usually well worth the effort. Oh, and I have to confess, I tend to just use the cheapo paintbrushes and don't really care about getting fancy with them. I use the cheapo ones, and then when they get messed up, as they invariably do, I just pick them because seems like no matter how careful I am, they don't last very long. Stir and stir and try to. Ah, there we go. So use this primer. hard to put the stupid lids back on the stupid cans. I mean, really tight. So, best if you're using a can or something, maybe to just do several projects one after the other, at least in terms of the priming, because that way you can just use it up and it will be fine, even if you're not ready to do your actual painting yet in your projects. Yes. Here we go. And we literally should probably put on gloves to do this, but I never do. So maybe not so smart on my part. Maybe I'll disappear into a flash of light or something similar to my not having done that. But there you have it. Yes. Part of the front. I'm going to prime and paint the back too, but I'm more concerned with the front because it's the front, and you know. Oh, I should also point out I'm not going to buy a new clock part and put that in here in case anybody is wondering. I need to do something steampunky, but it's not going to involve an actual literal clock. Although there may be, well, probably be the clock face involved, but not originally intended when this was manufactured. So there. And that goes lickety split, because one thing about priming is you want to get full coverage. But and it doesn't have to be perfect and tidy and all that, because it's just the priming. And if you spill a drop on the floor, you can always use your sock to clean it up. I know I do.